or I would have fallen prey to vanity press, spending money, printing books nobody will even read, even me. That was 12 years ago. I continued writing poetry. My Google Drive has a few short story with heavy editing because, as I told you before, I was just like writing and proofreading things and calling it done. And I now have a few educational Medium blog posts, which I have my husband copy edit. And now I've just completed the first draft of a novella. It's a contemporary coming of age YA fiction story set in Madagascar. The book follows an intelligent girl who adores math as she navigates her first crush and other life challenges. I began writing it in May 2025, aiming for self publishing in summer 2026 or 2027. You may ask, why do I feel ready to do that now? In 2021, I started getting serious about learning how to write and got lots of books, magazines, and writing courses. And after attending multiple online summits for writers, I committed to outlining my book and starting a first draft. I wrote the book, one chapter every single day, and now I'm editing it and I am also learning how to market the book and build a social media presence. If you're interested in my novella or my journey, subscribe to my author Substack so that you can receive any email every time that I give an update about the book or I submit new poetry reading.